Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we're opening something very special from White Mountain Knives. This is something I was supposed to get, I don't know, like a week or two ago. It got lost or stolen in the mail, don't know, but it's being replaced, so I'm excited to take a look. Today I'm opening up with my RWB from Luft Concepts. Cool little knife, one of their designs. Got that at a Blade show. All right, so a box within a box. Let's see what we have in here. So what do we have? Peanuts. We got Divo sticker, a Divo sticker. So this is something from Divo Knives. A little Divo knife. And we got a little Divo cloth. So we'll save the stickers in the box. Great for packaging and shipping. So typically it comes with a little Divo cloth like that. Great for a giveaway or something, right? And we have a couple of stickers here, Divo Knives and Mini Growler. Okay, so this is the Mini Growler. So let's take a look. It's a smaller box. Wave carbon fiber, black wash 154 cm. All right, so let's take a look, see what we got. All right, so in here, a nice little cloth. Ooh, I'm definitely saving that. And then here is the Mini Growler in carbon fiber at that. All right, so here we are. So I had a Growler, really liked that, ended up giving it away. This is the mini version. So carbon fiber, I like the twill carbon fiber, looks really nice, nicely chamfered all the way around. Beautiful jimping all the way through the front, a little backspacer, wire clip. A very nice wire clip. It is reversible. Right now it's right-hand tip up only. But it could be right-hand tip up, it could be left-hand tip up. So it looks like we've got one for sure way is the fuller. But we might have bonus flick, and we might have a bonus flick here. So let's check it out. It is dead nuts centered, which is nice. Everything about it is nice. Captive pivot. Love the dark out right there. That's really cool. All right, so let's give it a flick. See what happens. All right, nice little flat grind blade. Right, flat grind, yeah, pretty thin. Comes down to a nice slicey edge. Oh yeah, definitely. Has a nice little choke up, is it? Oh, okay, that does work. That does work. All right, let's see. Nice cutaway. The lock bar. Chamfered on there, even. All right, let's see how tight that is. Kevin does love a really strong detent. Let's do the left hand. Oops. All right, so the left hand works pretty well. Make sure I get my hand in there. It's a different size. Hold on. All right, so my hand, my thumb is getting on there because of putting a little pressure on the blade. Let's see, do we have middle finger reverse flick? We do. Can we front flip it? We absolutely can. Can we front flip it left-handed? Absolutely we can. All right, that works. Do we have middle finger reverse flick left-handed? Absolutely we do. All right, so it's very fidgety. All right, that's pretty nice actually. That's a really nice little knife here. Wow. Okay, I kind of bought it with the intent of giving it away, but I may not do that. Or it'll be a while before I do that. It's a pretty nice little knife, I gotta tell you. All right, black wash, carbon fiber, everything all blacked out. I do like that. And we'll drop the little plastic thing here. Maybe I can use a sticker. There we go. And that's the little thing that goes in there. Just kind of keeps it, I guess, from rubbing on there. All right. That's pretty nice. Now, I got to tell you, we got to do our thing. Got to see if I can put skiffs in there. And I got to see if I have a wire clip I can use. I don't. Well, I have this purple one. I could always try that and see what that looks like if it fits. We'll give it a try. So it looks like T8 hardware. So T8's right there. So I'm going to take that off first. Let's see if this can come off. Let's see if it's actually a fit for this. Sometimes they don't really fit in there. You got to space them in there or something. Well, that does fit. Kind of a first. It's cool. We're going to leave that on. We'll wait to put that on because I think it might be part of the backspacer. So let's come back to that. Inset liner lock. All right, that's interesting. Inset liner lock. Very cool. That's kept in place with the screws. The 3 screws, actually. All right, very cool. And these look like they might be, are they 5/16? We'll take a look here in just a second. I'll take the pin out real quick so I can measure this. Okay, 5mm. So I need 5mm. And these are probably 1/16. They don't look like they're super thin. Yeah, 1/16. So Javi gave me a really cool setup for this, and I don't have it set up yet because I've been so busy. But I want to get it set up. It's going to be really amazing once I get to use it. Because right now all of these are totally out of order. So I have no idea where my, that's the 3/64. There we go. Wow. Not anywhere where they should be. And I'm using a rubber band. And it doesn't even tell me how much inventory I have of each of the ones, which is kind of annoying for me sometimes, because then sometimes I don't realize I'm out of a certain size. So I'm really looking forward to using that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Just lost the guy. Captive pivot. See, there's a little cutaway right there. That's what that is. And right there, like that. Seems pretty. I don't really want to mess with it because it feels perfectly fine for me. So I'm gonna leave that alone. That's not the right screw. It doesn't fit. Come on, Robert. Don't be a dummy. All right, nice. Easy enough. I do need to get some more Lynch Northwest clips, obviously. There's some Loctite already on there. I'm going to put Loctite maybe later. I don't think I need it right this second, so we'll go ahead and not worry about that right now. I'm sure Kevin already told Steve about this, but I'm going to go ahead and just take a picture for you guys and for Steve's Skiff, so they know which caged bearings you need. So if you're looking for, you have a Mini Growler and you're like, hey, what size do I need? You need the 5mm, 1/16, 12 ball count, 0.2 inner diameter, 0.370 outer diameter. That's what you need. All right, they used to be 11 ball count, so if you still have the 11 one, it's going to be exactly the same. The newer ones have 1 extra ball in them. All right, so that's what's in there. These are the OEM, and I already put the skiffs in there already, and that'll end up becoming much smoother. So it does have, with the carbon fiber scales, it does have steel washers, which is nice, very nice. That'll help with the action and everything. So there you go. That's what you need for the skiffs. I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in my box, which I always do, because I always like to keep the OEM with the OEM knife, in case I ever sell it or give it away or, you know, whatever. So we'll put that over there. All right. Oops. I meant to put that in there as well. Sometimes people like that. I really dig the size of this knife. I think it's a really cool small size knife. So I'm kind of looking forward to using this one here. Yeah, action's really nice. No blade play. Really cool in there. Flips really well left-handed. Just out of curiosity, Let's see, what are we looking at on the edge? Pretty even edge on both sides, it looks like. Yeah. So I'm going to guess maybe 20. 154 strops up really nicely. Yeah. I think it's about 20, 18 to 20 degrees. Doesn't feel super, super high, but about 20, maybe 18, 20 degrees. Maybe, I don't know, I'm going to say 20. 18 is close to 17, and 17 is pretty long edge. So I'm going to say about 20. That's what it feels like here. All right, so just for fun, let's go ahead and cut a piece of paper, see how well it cuts. Oops. I don't know if that's because I'm not catching on the edge, or maybe I just need to strop it a little more. It's in between that super budget kind of phase and not premium, but not super budget, right? Because it has 154 cm, which is a great, I would say, economical steel, but it's not like a super budget steel. And it's not a premium steel, so it's not like a really premium version of the knife or anything, right? I still have some stuff on there, so I'm going to wipe that off. So that's my stropping compound on there. Still a little bit right there. That black PVD or whatever coating, making it stick on there pretty good. All right, so there we go. I was kind of wiping that off. I think a black clip would look better, but that doesn't look too bad. Kind of cool. A little color accent on there, I think. Kind of nice. I do dig that. All right, so we got an inset steel liner lock. Gauge as well. We're about, I'd say a good 50%, 40%. No blade play. No pivot lash. Let's listen to that detent. All right, very good. Hopefully you guys saw that and I don't have to edit that because I wasn't zoomed in all the way. So if I cut to this, then I'm sorry. I missed some stuff here. But what I was saying is I was cleaning off the blade and we got pretty good edge on there. And I don't know if I even saved where I stropped it and then tested the edge. Because when I first stropped it, the edge was not super great. So I'm going to cut this in half. So now we have two pieces for another knife. But as you can see, after I did a little stropping, that edge is way, way better. Much, much nicer. So do like that a lot. Make sure I don't have anything on camera there. All right, and we're looking at the inset liner lock. That's what it was in here. It gauged about 40-50%, 154 cm. Beautiful finger choil, good grip, nice chamfering all the way around. And even if that bothers you with a little sharpness, you can always use a Dremel, polish that off. I do like the little purple titanium clip. I like titanium clips. They are a little more flexible for me. Very, very nice light knife. When we do the full review, we'll get the weight and specs and everything on there. Works really well left-handed and relatively easy to front flip as well. Oops, get in there. Of course, now I'm having a little, what am I doing here? There we go. It was relatively easy to flick. And then you have bonus middle finger reverse flick, super easy, especially with that coating on the blade. That's really nice. So great little knife. Great, great little knife. Do like it a lot. A lot of great action. Let's do a little zoom in so you guys can take a look. All right, so there's the blade. Beautiful black PVD, a little swedge on top. More decorative, but definitely functional. Beautiful jimping all the way across. Not super aggressive when you go up here. You push down, definitely gets you locked and loaded. Very functional thumb hole. This flat part up here is easy to access for bonus flick. Captive pivot. Twill carbon fiber, really nice. Chamfered all the way around. Nice little lanyard loop, not prioritized. Reversible pocket clip, T8 hardware. I put a titanium clip on there, which I like. You can, Spyderco fits, you don't have to adjust it, which is nice. Typically you have to bend it and get it fit in there. T8 hardware as well. Even the clip is T8 hardware. Everything is T8 hardware this time around. That's nice. Inset liner lock. That is screwed. The liner lock is held in, attached in. by these 3 screws and the back spacer back here. It's got a full back spacer, as you can see. It does lock and engage really well. Yeah. The finger choil is very functional. So you get in there. That's nice. We can take a look in there. There's not really weight relief on the carbon fiber, but on the inset liner lock, there is some, but it's still super light, super, super light. All right. So again, let's take a look at that jimping up on top all the way. So that's pretty cool. Let's do a little zoom here. Here we go. Got a little highlight, the carbon fiber. The back part. A little purple clip. That looks nice. All right. And the action here now, with the skiffs in there, is just going to keep getting better and better. Do you need skiffs? No, you don't. Absolutely not. Do I like skiffs? Absolutely, I do. I love putting skiffs in, especially this is, like I was saying, this is kind of like not a budget knife, but it's not a premium knife. It's right in the middle. And because of that, I think skiffs makes perfectly good sense, especially if you're going to use it and abuse it. This is one of these knives you can really use, but it looks nice. Looks really nice. Doesn't look like a super cheap budget knife. It looks premium without being premium, right? And that's what I dig. I dig that, especially carbon fiber. I think it's a nice touch. So yeah, there you go. If you guys have the Mini Growler, let me know what your thoughts are on it and how much you like it. I think it's a fantastic little knife. All right. If you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who comments on the videos, who's part of the live stream, chats in the live stream, just part of the whole community. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other video. And a big shout out to my channel members out there. I really appreciate you guys. You guys, you do 2 awesome things for me personally, and those things are you motivate me when I need motivation because you're like my workout buddy. I don't do this full time, part time, so thank you. 2, you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. With your generosity of your memberships, they genuinely help me. So much shipping, allow me to do the giveaways every week, even the big giveaways for milestones. A lot of you guys have a big hand in that, and I'm so appreciative of you guys. So I do 2 exclusive things for my channel members. 1, all channel members, brand new channel members, will get a channel sticker and a little thank you note. It really goes to anybody who's currently actively a channel member, who's never gotten a channel sticker, whether you're a brand new channel member, been a channel member all along, were a channel member and became a channel member again. As long as you're currently a channel member and you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker. The second thing I do is an exclusive channel member giveaway. It's a once a month giveaway, and it's usually a little more of a nicer knife. It's not just a little budget banger kind of giveaway. Like this is not a super cheap knife, right? So this would be in line. This, along with some extras in it, would be something I could do. I'm not saying this is a giveaway because I'm probably going to keep this, but this would be in line with what I would do for the members, right? Something along this line, a nicer knife that's, I think, is just a little bit a step above a budget banger. Sometimes they're even nicer than that, but that's my small way to say thank you to you guys, right? I do that once a month, and all you got to do is be a member, and there you go. If any of that sounds interesting to you, you're like, hey, I love the sticker, I love the supporting channel, or I love the giveaway, there's a link down below in the description, 3 different tiers. Would love to have you at any level, right? Don't feel obligated. Make it your choice. If you choose to do it, I'm honored. I'm grateful. Thank you. If you don't, I just appreciate you being here, watching the content. Thank you. So just a big shout out. Thank you to all you guys out there. I appreciate every one of you. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.